Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Spotify radio not working problem. So the first method is we need to update our Spotify app. To do that, go to your Play Store, search here Spotify. If you see any update available, then update your Spotify app from here and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is we need to clear our Spotify app cache files. To do that, go to your phone settings, search here app management. Once you get it, tap on that. Now tap on Spotify, storage usage, clear cache, clear data. And now go to your Spotify app and check the problem if fixed or not. And the last and final solution is we need to use an older version of Spotify. But before doing that, you will need to uninstall your current Spotify app. So uninstall it and go to your browser, search here older version of Spotify. Open the first link. Scroll down and from this list you can download any older version of Spotify. All you have to need, just tap on the version name which you want to download and now tap on this download button and Spotify will be downloaded to your device. Install the older version of Spotify and enjoy. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.